YouTube, what the fuck poppin', man? We back with another video. As y'all can see, man, we playing Madout, man. And today, you feel me, we on the block with it, you feel me? And shit, I just caught this new cyber truck, you feel me? Shit, that bitch supposed to be getting delivered today, you feel me? We gonna drive that bitch in the hood, let y'all folks know what's going on, let y'all folks see what's going on and shit like that. You feel me? And shit, yeah, man, they supposed to be on the way and shit like that shit. That might be bro right there. Hell yeah. That's his ass right there, man. Yo, down here, Brody. Down here. Yes, sir. This me right here. This me right here. Thank God you brought this bitch. Man, this bitch clean, twin. I ain't gonna lie, man. Damn, where that bitch come from? Canada?
I don't know, man. I just do it.
I heard that, man. A job is a job, man. Can you unload that bitch for me or something? I'm ready to hop in that bitch.
Hop in it. Yeah.
I ain't never had that one of these bitches, man. That bitch come chrome. Man, that bitch hard. That bitch red. Fam, that bitch hard. Yes, sir. We live in the city. On God, gang, we live in the city. You want to take a stroll with me around there in that bitch?
Sure.
Shit, hop in then. That's all you had to do. You wanna get on? Then get on with me. Hey, you talking about? All right. So, man, you ever been in one of these before?
Nah.
Damn, this your first time?
What?
I ain't gonna lie, the interior, this motherfucker too raw, twin. Shit, where you from, Brody?
I'm just from around here.
Oh, you from around here? How long you been? How long you been on delivering cyber trucks?
Not too long. Like a couple days.
I heard that. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Oh yeah. Well, you know we in the hood. Yeah, this the hood right here. I hope these little badass kids. I'm surprised I don't see none of these badass kids off.
Yeah.
Man, this bitch ride good. Let's check the brakes right quick. Yep, the brakes work. Shit, the brakes work, y'all. As long as the brakes work, shit, we good. Really. I grew up around here. My auntie stayed on the other block over there. So yeah, man, I know you got a job to get back to, man. So I'm finna take you back to your truck, bro. Yes, sir. We got the cyber truck, man. Bulletproof motherfucker. You feel me, twin? No cap. Wigging in that motherfucker. Well, yeah, man. All right, though, man. There go your truck, man. You can get back to your job now. Hey man, hold up, man. Here's the tip, man. Come get this tip, bro. Thanks, bro.
Thanks, man.
Yes, sir. And it was just like that. How I got my Cybertruck up and out the hood. And we out. Peace.